Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to boost the performance of your Android device by doing something very special. I am going to show you how to spoof your phone's identity to the OnePlus 15. Now, you might be asking, why would I want to do this? The answer is simple. By tricking your system and apps into thinking you are using a brand new, high-end flagship device like the OnePlus 15, you can often unlock extreme graphics settings in games. This is perfect for unlocking 90 FPS or even 120 FPS in games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, and BGMI. It is one of the easiest ways to get better gaming performance without buying a new phone. Let's talk about compatibility, because this is where this module really shines. I know many of you are running different setups, so you will be happy to hear that this method supports all Android versions. Whether you're on an older version of Android or the latest Android 14 or 15 builds, this will work for you. Also, the rooting community has evolved, and we aren't just using Magisk anymore. This specific spoofing file supports all major root managers. It has been tested and confirmed to work on standard Magisk, KernelSU, KSU Next, and even APatch. So no matter which root solution you prefer, you can follow this guide without needing to switch. Before we start the installation, I have a very serious warning. Please listen to this part carefully to avoid crashing your phone. You must ensure that you do not have any other device spoofing modules installed. If you are currently using a module to spoof a ROG phone, a Pixel device, or a Xiaomi device, please go into your module manager and remove or disable it first. Having two different spoofing modules active at the same time will cause system conflicts. This can lead to a boot loop where your phone gets stuck restarting. So please take a moment right now to clean up your old modules before proceeding. Alright, now that your device is ready, let's get into the installation process. First, download the zip file provided in the description below. Save it to your internal storage where you can easily find it. Next, open your root manager app. If you're using Magisk, open Magisk. If you're using KernelSU or APatch, open that application. Navigate to the Modules tab, usually found at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the button that says Install from Storage or tap the large plus icon. Browse through your files and select the OnePlus 15 spoof zip file you just downloaded. The installation script will run automatically. It's usually very quick. Once the screen says the installation is complete, you will see a Reboot button appear at the bottom right. Tap that button and let your phone restart. When your phone turns back on, you can go to your settings and check your About Phone section. You should now see your device listed as a OnePlus 15. That is all for today. If this helped you unlock higher FPS, please hit that like button and subscribe for more modules. Thanks for watching.